The Zendesk hourly billing app. You might be familiar with the Zendesk Time Tracking app that allows you to track time that the agents spend in Zendesk support. And while we like it, we know that it doesn't track time for call or phone tickets. If you don't know it, the time tracking app in Zendesk, it's been created for a gajillion years, it's been on the marketplace for just as long, and it helps you track the time your agents spend working on tickets. It's a more advanced way of seeing what your agents are doing in Zendesk. It's been built by the Zendesk dev team, and it has not really received any updates in a really long time. Hi there, my name is Dominic. I'm a customer experience enthusiast. I've been doing it for over 15 years. I've been a Zendesk consultant for over a decade, and we created the hourly billing app. Think of it as an upgrade from the time tracking app from Zendesk, which has an addition to track time for call. And if you go to our Zendesk partner page, we're a Zendesk Premier partner, and if you scroll a little bit down, in here, you see hourly billing. You click it, looks nice, I love it. It's been here for 1.5 months or so. I didn't have time to make a video, but I'm doing it now. So who this is for? This is for CSMs, this is for business owners, this is for team leaders who want to track the time their agents spend working in Zendesk in a more accurate way. So if you don't want to pay for the workforce management tool from Zendesk, which costs about $25 per agent seat, well, then you get a more economical version, which is this one. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install it and how to use it. You have a 15-day trial. If you don't like it, you don't have to use it. The reason why we called it hourly billing is because of the use case that made this idea come to life. A client of ours was using Zendesk to outsource the work that their agents performed. I mean, the team was outsourced and was performing support for third parties, meaning I have a business and I don't want to handle the support bit. I just outsource this to somebody else. Now, when the bill comes for me to pay for this outsourcing service that I'm getting, I expect to see what I'm paying for. So this app does exactly that. It creates an advanced report for how much time your agents spend working on chats, emails, form requests, etc., plus the time they spent on the phone. All right, so enough chit chat, let's install it. So we go here for the free trial. We select our account. I'm going to select this one, install. Alrighty then. So displaying time logs to agents. Yes, I want them to see. Hide app from agents. No, I want them to see it. Auto pause, so the time tracking pauses when the agent navigates away from the ticket and resumes when the agent comes back to that ticket. I will uncheck this one because I want my agents to navigate away to access my backend system and look up client data and then come back and respond to the customer. And that is also paid time or working time. Display time controls, no thank you. Reset current time, no thank you. Edit time submission, no please. Simplified time submission, yes, so agents can enter a value in minutes. Simplified time submission, no thank you. I can add role restrictions, I can add group restrictions. I'm not going to do that. Now, I have to put in here my credit card details and it will not charge me for 15 days. If I don't like the app, I will just uninstall it from my Zendesk and it will not charge me. If you leave it after 15 days, the system will consider that you're using it and that you like it and that you want it, okay? So no charges will come to you unless after 15 days, you still have it in your account active. All right, let's put in some details. You might see the screen blurred, but not to worry, I am filling in my company details. All right, and voila, I see it here in the enabled apps. Now I'm just going to navigate to my support. I'm going to refresh my screen, then I'm going to navigate to a ticket. So you can see on my right-hand side, I have my apps here and I have hourly billing app and it's giving me a warning. And this is meant to be like that. So what this does, this app creates some custom fields for you on your behalf, which you have to add to your forms. So in order for it to track time, the app has to have these fields that you'll see in a bit. I know it's not ideal, but your forms have to have these fields for it to work. So if you look here, you have some instructions and I will not go through that. I will let you do that because it's I'm just going to show you. So if you see here, I have a form which is called the form Kaido brand form. and it says these two fields are missing, right? So Roca work total time spent in seconds, and then Roca work time spent last update. Okay, so now we go to Admin Center. We're going to go to Objects and Rules, and we're going to go to Forms. You don't have to have as many forms as I do, but so I'm just going to go and show you how to add them for one. So in here, in my form, in here on the right hand side, I'm just going to look for those fields, which are all called Roca work. So you just add these 4 fields to your form, plus, 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 and they should appear here at the bottom of your form. Don't worry that you won't see these on the left-hand side where agents do their job normally. Now, if you want this to work on other forms as well, you have to add these 4 fields to every form that you want this to work in. Okay, I'm going to save this up. If you're not going to add them, it's going to show you an error in red, the one that we saw earlier. Okay, so now back to supports. I've refreshed the screen and voila, it started tracking. So I am theoretically working on this ticket. So now you just forget about it. You just let it do its thing. You work as normally. You don't mind it. You don't care for it. You just leave it there to collect some data. Ideally, a week. That would be great. After you let it do its thing comes the part of you creating the reports for you to send to your clients so you can actually justify why you're billing them, how much you're billing them. Or you can create reports to see how efficient your agents are, whatever floats your boat. Either one is fine. So I've created this report. I only have this as an image for you, but you can see exactly what I'm doing. If you need help with this, don't worry, just ask for it and I'll just paste the SOP or standard operating process to create this. It's pretty basic. If you don't know reports in Zendesk with Explore, it's fine. It's okay. Just ask for help. So look, I created a table in Explore and it's just a table, okay? And then I add, my tickets, and then I have my assignee names. I've blurred out some of them. These are the all-time tickets created, handled by these people. Good CSAT, bad CSAT, the CSAT average. And then I have call time. And then I have call time, so how much they spend in calls. And then I have ticket time, how much they spend in email, forms, API requests, chats, social media, whatever. So that's all here. And then the total time, the sum of these two. So this is what exactly you'd send to your customer, or this is what you talk to your people about and with your team, with your management, to see how productive your team is. Yeah, so that's about it. It's a little bit iffy how you install it, and I'll give you that. That is true. It's not seamless as I would like it, but it's functional and I'm able to keep it at a low price precisely for this reason. So yeah, that's it for me. I hope you enjoy this. Please tell me how it works for you. If you need support, setting up the app is included in the price. So yeah, just hit me up in the comments. Just, there's an email in the description. There's also a link to the app in the description. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'd be really grateful. And I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.